Daily decluttering with ADHD? Well, I'm going to tell you how, and you can do it all within 10 minutes. And it's going to make decluttering easier in the future, and it's going to help you keep your apartment or house more organized. Now, stick around till after I tell you how to declutter because there are some examples of things that you can do within this 10-minute period. So the first thing you have to do is you have to decide where you actually want to do this declutter, because you can't declutter your whole house in 10 minutes. I wish I could. It would be awesome if I could, but you can't. So you have to figure out which room, which place you want to declutter. It can be a room, it can be a side of a room, it can be a closet. Whatever you're going to declutter, you have to choose that before you start your declutter. And you have to have a timer, because you do only want to do it for 10 minutes. You can do it for longer, but you're trying to do it within 10 minutes, so it's not a very long process. And the great thing is, if you're doing this each and every day, 10 minutes is not that long. It's not a big, huge decluttering task that you have to do for an hour, 2 hours, or just all day. Now, another thing that you have to decide, when are you going to do this? Are you going to do it in the morning, which is one suggestion, or you're going to do it at night before you go to bed? Don't try to put it in during the daytime, because then you're scheduling things and you're adding it in with all your other things that you're going to do during the day. Now, personally, I stay up late anyway. I'm what they call a night owl. So for me, this works out before bedtime because I'm up anyway. I have some energy anyway. Why not go ahead and do this? So if you're a night owl, this might work out perfect for you too. Now, one of the things that I discovered, if I come across an item that I don't know what I want to do, if I want to keep it or throw it away, then I need to push it to the side, because if I sit there and agonize over the decision, then I'm wasting the time within my 10-minute daily declutter. And I could be doing other items, throwing away other things, deciding, okay, do I want to keep this or throw this away, with other items that I know I have a decision with already. Now, here are things that you can do in that 10-minute daily declutter. First, laundry. You can take clothes out of the dryer, put it in a basket, and bring it over to where you're going to fold clothes. You can also start to fold those clothes, or maybe even finish folding those clothes. Or if you have clothes that you've already folded, you can put those clothes away. Now, I probably wouldn't personally start a load of laundry because it's going to be a longer process than washing and drying in the 10 minutes. But if you do have some work clothes that you need to iron, or you need to get the wrinkles out of, and you just don't have time to iron, and you don't know where your iron is, you can put it in the dryer, put it in there for 10 minutes, and hopefully get some of the wrinkles out. And that is something you can do while you are doing other things, because the dryer has a timer on it. You can put it on there for 10 minutes and do something else while you're waiting for the dryer to finish. Now, you can do other things in the kitchen in that 10 minutes too. You can take your plate from where you're eating and take it to the sink so you can wash them. You can wash your dishes. You can put away your dishes. You can put the dishes that you want to put in the dishwasher. You can also organize kitchen utensils. You can organize silverware. You can organize pots and pans. You can start organizing a shelf in your pantry or a shelf in your refrigerator. You can also throw out the bad food. Go through your refrigerator, throw out bad food, and put that in the trash, and then find just the good food. Those leftovers you got from a restaurant and you forgot they were in your refrigerator, find those and throw them out. So there are a lot of things that you can do in 10 minutes. You can go around and just pick up things and make sure they're in the place. Anything that's on the floor, go around, find it, put it where it belongs. You can also pick up and throw away any trash. Maybe you're watching a movie or something, have a pizza box next to you that you haven't thrown away yet. Go ahead, pick it up, throw that away. You can also start to clean out a junk drawer. So if you have a junk drawer with all this stuff in it and you just have put stuff in there and don't know what's really in it, you can go through, separate what's good and what's bad, and throw the bad stuff out. Another thing you can do is clear off things such as kitchen counters, bathroom counters, dressers, nightstand, desktops. Anywhere where you have a lot of clutter on those things, you want to go ahead and clear it off. Maybe you have a whole bunch of stuff in the bathroom that you might use, or maybe you've never used, but you just want it there just in case. Maybe some of that stuff is already empty and you just haven't thrown away the bottle or whatever it is. And so you want to clear off that stuff. And that's going to make those areas look less cluttered and more organized. And if you do a little bit of this each day, then even if you have items that you put on top of those things again, they can go through and then declutter them and put them back in the right place once again. Now, there are other things that you can do within those 10 minutes, but I thought these were very good ideas. If you have your own, let me know, because I'd love to hear about more things that you can do in that 10-minute declutter. Now, don't stop there, because I do have a video on kitchen organization and it will help you organize your kitchen. And if you want to know that, Go ahead and watch this video right now.